1. Preparing material. Material list for installing centrifugal nozzles. Centrifugal nozzles. Pipes. Centrifugal nozzle connecting cable. Three-way joint. Spreading HUB component and screws. 2. Wiring. Before installing centrifugal nozzles, the pressure nozzle, pipes, and tank need to be removed, taking the installation of the centrifugal nozzle on the number 1 arm as an example. Prepare a 1-2 nozzle connection cable. Insert the end with a label into the arm. And pass it out from the main folding part. The other end of the connection cable should be reserved with an appropriate length, which can be determined by the position of the screw holes as shown in the video. Similarly, pass the pipe into the arm and pass it out from the main folding part. Use the motor grommet to fix the pipe, nozzle connection cable, ESC power line, and signal line. Then install the motor grommet on the arm and connect the ESC power line and signal line respectively. After connection, it must be fixed with cable ties. Three. Installing motor cover. Thread the pipe and centrifugal nozzle connecting cable under the arm through the corresponding holes on the motor cover. Then install the motor cover in place and tighten the screws in sequence. Note the screws should not be tightened too tightly. Otherwise, it may damage the foam cover. 4. Installing centrifugal nozzles. Thread the connecting cable through the hole on the nozzle holder fixer. Install the nozzle holder fixer under the bottom of the motor base with screws. Then thread the connecting cable into the centrifugal nozzle assembly. Install the centrifugal nozzles and the nozzle holder assembly in place. Note the pipe joint of the centrifugal nozzles should face outward. Tighten the screws on the nozzle holder. Connect the joints inside the centrifugal nozzle assembly in sequence. Organize and fix the connecting wires inside the nozzle assembly. Finally, connect the pipes. Similarly, install centrifugal nozzles on the number 2, number 3, and number 4 arms. 5. Organizing wiring and pipes. The nozzle connection lines exiting from the number 1 and number 4 arms should be fixed along the number 2 frame bar to the groove. After organizing the wiring, install the cable tie. Similarly, the nozzle connection lines exiting from the number 2 and number 3 arms should be fixed along the number 1 frame bar. And then install the three-way joints under the frame bar number 1 and number 2. The 4 pipes should be respectively connected to the corresponding interfaces of the three-way joints. 6. Installing battery rail component and cover. Install the battery rail component at the corresponding position on the frame bar and tighten the screws. Then install the front and rear housing. 7. Installing spray hub component and wiring. Install the spraying hub component at the corresponding screw holes on the tank. Note the side with letters of the hub component should face upwards. Tighten the screws in turn. Then connect the pump and flowmeter connection wires to the corresponding interface of the hub component. Place the tank side connected with the hub component facing the tail of the aircraft and install it in place. Connect the adapting cable. Connect each centrifugal nozzle connection wire to the corresponding numbered interface. Lastly, connect the flowmeter pipe joint to the three-way joint. The installation of centrifugal nozzles is completed.